Good morning, everyone. This is Chitra ma'am from Tiny Teddies. Okay, today let's see about the season. Okay, do you know there are 4 seasons? Okay, now daily what we will do in Tiny Teddies, we morning after singing rhymes and exercise and yogas, we go to the calendar. We need to know what day is today, how the weather is outside. So we go to the calendar and we fix the day and month and date, everything, isn't it? We learn after learning what we do. We go to the windowsill and we see through the window how the weather is looking outside, isn't it? Whether it is a sunny day or rainy day or cloudy day. So after that we come to know about the season, isn't it? So now what today is looking, can you see from the window? Today is a night bright sunny day. So this is a summer season. Okay, summer season, what we will do? Do we wear sweater and all? No, isn't it? We wear a nice warm dry cotton clothes we will wear. Then only nice air and wind will go and make our body humiliate. We won't get sweating, isn't it? So on a sunny summer season, sunny days, we wear nice cotton clothes. Okay, and what we will eat? Mommy will buy us a nice ice cream. Isn't it? On a sunny days only we can eat ice cream, isn't it? Because it is so sunny only outside, we will also feel sweaty and everything. So we will be treated with nicely ice cream. And what else you do? I drink more juice. Hope you will also make our body nice humidity, and we drink more juice and eat nice variety of ice creams. And where we will go on a sunny days? We'll go to the beach, isn't it? And park, because it is nice bright sunny days, we can nicely play with our friends. And after going to the beach, what we will do? Nicely we will stand before the waves and we will refresh ourselves and we will make nice sand castles, isn't it? What we will wear? Nice coolers, isn't it? I remember all our small teddies will be wearing nice coolers with a nice hat on a sunny day, and we'll go to beach and we will nicely play with our family and friends, isn't it? So in the park also on a sunny day we can go and enjoy with all our friends by slide and swing and everything we can do. On a sunny days we can do all more things by going outside. In Chennai anyway, there are most of the days are sunny day, so that we can go outside and enjoy the world. Okay. Now what festival will come on that sunny days on a summer season? Pongal festival, and we will have Vinayaga Chaturthi festival, and so many summer in Chennai especially there are so many festivals will come on a summer season. Okay, summer season we will all nicely enjoy outside. What the next season will be? Go to the winter season. Winter season, what we will do? We can't go wear the cotton clothes, or we can't go outside the beach, isn't it? Because it will be so cold, isn't it? What we will wear? We will wear a nice sweater and cardigan, and we will wear and make our body warm, isn't it? Otherwise we will feel cold. We won't put the AC also, and fan also we won't put sometime, isn't it? Because we will feel cold on a winter season. What festival will come on a winter season? Christmas and Diwali and Christmas will come on a winter season. What winter season? Usually in Chennai we won't get snow, but usually outside the India, in some places we will get snow. Snow will be in white color. People will like to make a snowman out of it. So that is called winter season. Winter season everyone will be feeling cold. So what mama will do for us? Nice soup she can make, and she will give, and we will eat hot food we like to eat on a winter season. Then only we will feel warm inside, isn't it? So that is called a winter season. And what is the next season? That is called autumn. Autumn time, some rain will be there and all the leaves in the tree will fall, isn't it? All the floor will be like a muddy in a rain, and so much of leaves will be fall already. With that road will be so mushy and muddy. So on a rainy day, what clothes we wear? We will be wearing a warm thick clothes, and on top of it we wear a raincoat, isn't it, to protect from the rain falling from the sky. And the clouds will be so blackish grayish clouds. We will have cloudy day, we will feel, and the rain will fall from the black clouds, isn't it? Sometimes the lightning and thunder will be there, isn't it? So on a rainy autumn, that is called a autumn season, on a rainy days we will be, what we will be holding sometime? Umbrella, isn't it? So that from the rain we will get protected, isn't it? We won't get drenched on the rain. And we will be wearing a boots, wellies on our legs, and we will be going on the road so that it will protect us from the rain. And we have to be careful on a rainy season. We should eat a hot things, okay? And we have to be careful on a rainy days by closing the windows and everything from the mosquitoes and so much of insects, okay? So that is called autumn season. Autumn season we will have rain and also have some more wind, so that all the leaves from the tree will fall down, okay? What is the next season? Fourth season will be spring. In the spring season, nice, all the trees will have nice bloom with all green leaves and flowers. It will be so bright and nice flowers, fruits, vegetables, all will start to grow on a spring season. So how many seasons? There are 4 seasons, but in Chennai, India, we will have mostly 2 seasons, that is summer, winter, and rainy also will be there. That will be calling as a autumn season. So mostly we will have summer season in Chennai, and that is also good, so that we can go outside and explore so many things. So we have more sunny days in our India and also in Chennai, so we can enjoy that most. Now we are going into the rainy season, so that we can see some rain nowadays outside, isn't it? So we have learnt about nice seasons. So there are 4 seasons: summer, winter, autumn and spring. So let us end the session with this, and I will see you soon in the next session, okay? Now what song we always sing before going? Yes, I love you, you love me, we are happy family, with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? Thank you everyone. Let's see our next section, okay? Bye darlings.